The year of Unique and United 2015 and 16 has been a landmark year for Innoveel clubs in India. It has been a year of happiness, uniqueness, and in oneness. Here, you will witness some of the reflections of the treasured and cherished moments of this journey through the lenses. Our association president Mamta Agarwal believed in the power of one, and we got the word smile as an umbrella to work under. The thrust was on the two key projects, sanitation and literacy. While M indicated membership development, and at the same time the letter I reminded us to create an image of our organization. Members were also asked to evaluate their work in terms of achievement of the objectives before them. Almost all the districts have successfully followed these goals, and you will feel proud to know that under sanitation, 2,100 toilets were made or repaired this year, costing about 2.57 crores. In literacy, under Teach, 4,565 teachers were supported by imparting training or were rewarded. Almost 20 lakhs was spent. 421 e-learning centers were opened, amounting to rupees 66 lakhs. 2,000 adults were taught. Centers opened, costing 13 lakhs approximately. 52,384 children besides Asha Kiran were supported through scholarships, etc. 2.18 crores approximately was spent. 506 happy schools were made. Rupees 3.95 crores was spent. Besides these, the clubs also installed sanitary napkin vending machines, provided deep bore tube wells in drought affected villages, gave microfinance, constructed homes for senior citizens, cared for environment, ran vocational training centers, held awareness camps on health and hygiene, supported differently abled and orphan children, organized walks, cyclothons, car rallies, beach fair, publicity, and many more. Medical equipments were donated in hospitals, rooms were constructed, cataract surgeries, women dialysis centers were opened, hearing aids provided, ambulance services and palliative care provided, and medical camps were organized for senior citizens and many more, costing 16 crores approximately. For Chennai and Tamil Nadu calamity, we contributed almost 1.5 crores. Under Asha Kiran, nearly 10,000 street children were sponsored at the cost of rupees 2 crores. These phenomenal figures have only been possible due to all the district chairmen who diligently followed the national goals and conveyed the same to their presidents. It amply demonstrated that when we unite, we leave a greater impact. The initiative of IW Connect mobile app has about half the Innoveel members, that is 18,250 registered. There has been a big influx of membership this year, and we have got 73 new clubs and 2,727 new members this year. Today, the total membership is 37,445, a whopping growth of 7.7%. The year had programs like Incoming Chairman's Institute One-on-One Ek Mulaqat in Pune, hosted by District 313. Chalk Talk, the literacy training seminar in Pune. Take One, Ek Shurwaat, the installation function of Association President Mamta Agarwal was held in Vedic Village in Kolkata, hosted by District 329, with the IIW President Abha Gupta as chief guest, attended by 650 members. Once upon a time in Goa, the fellowship meet for past, present and future leaders was a fun time in Goa for 180 delegates hosted by District 317. At the same time, Vision 2024, a chat show on Inner Wheel in the centenary year, was enjoyed by all and many questions and suggestions came out. The association president's visit after the conference as national representative were enriching and precious as she accompanied the IIW president. They visited District 311, 301, 323, 319 and 320 and attended the Golden Jubilee celebration of IWC Madras and Bangalore. She also visited District 320, 308, 312, 302 and 323 respectively for the conference and District 326 for its assembly. This year, District 323 hosted the ICI Prarambh in Chennai and zonal training seminars were hosted by District 321, 302, 311 and 306 to brief the district EC. All were well attended and proved to be beneficial. The special achievements of the year have been the audio-visual presentation made by Association President Mamta of the IIW theme Unique and United was well appreciated and officially adopted by IIW President Charlotte DeVos for the year. Release of the triennial brochure at Denmark Convention by Abha Gupta, the then IIW President. Dr. Kapila Gupta and Azagu Annamalai got elected as IIW Vice President and Treasurer respectively. Now, the association has an official address in Coimbatore, courtesy PAP Geeta Padmanabhan. Blueprint of Triennial, a well-compiled coffee table book of memoir and making memories, an album of sweet memories of Triennial was printed for all. Now the mega event, an event of the magnitude of Triennial Conference, takes precedence over everything else. It happens only when positivity, discipline, attitude, responsibility, passion, perseverance come together. Chief guest IIW President visited Club Project Apna Leh and did some sightseeing. There were cruises on the river Ganges. And the Science City Convention Center, the venue of the conference, buzzed with activities for 3 days. There were various zones created for the delegates to enjoy and cherish. The arrival of the VIPs in buggies, traditional welcome with Dhaki and Dhunuchi, the inaugural dance, the welcome speech, the felicitations, address by the chief guest and the keynote international motivational speaker Sam Cawthorn, splendid performance by pop queen Usha Uttup, drumscape by Pandit Vikram Ghosh, the performances by the members in Ek Sham Desh Ke Naam, the lucky draw and the photo sessions were all a part of it. The crisp and engaging business session, President number 1, deliberations on Asha Kiran, donations for the children of Nigeria and cancer patient were also made. And the performance by Rhythmosic brought it all to the end. It was a moment of happiness and satisfaction for the organizing committee to see in oneness drawing to such a successful close. In the grand finale, the flags were brought down. Holding hands, we swayed to the lilting tune of Dhonno Dhanne Pushpe Bhara, and it all concluded with the national anthem. Finally, the moment to pass on the baton is upon us. The reins of Inner Wheel in India are being handed over to the new leader, Prabha Raghunandan, and her dynamic team members. May God be with them in this journey of selfless service.